Hello everyone, welcome. So today I will tell you how to file ITR 2. ITR 2 is for seafarers and individuals who have income from more than one house property or share income or land or property income. First of all, you have to go to the site www.incometax.gov.in. Second step will be go to the downloads. Now from the downloads you have to go to utility. You have to download the utility from common offline utility. Once utility is downloaded, you have to extract it and install it. Once utility is installed, open again website www.incometax.gov.in. Go to login, enter your PAN number, continue and provide password to continue again. Now go to File Now and select Assessment Year. Now the ITR can be filled up in two modes, online and offline. The online mode gives you time limit of 40 minutes to complete everything, whereas in offline mode you can take your own sweet time. Today I'll show you how to fill up in offline mode. Before you start filing, make sure you have following things: your bank account details, Aadhaar card, PAN card, mobile link with Aadhaar, details of all income, interest. Also, make sure that you have checked your 26 AS before filing. Now select filing type 1391 original return and ITR type as ITR 2 and continue. Now you will have to download pre-filled data by clicking on Click Here. In third point, in information, select again assessment year and hit download. .json file will be downloaded. Now you can log out of website and close the window. Now open install utility. Click on continue. Click on file returns. Select import pre-filled data and click on continue. Now enter your PAN number and assessment year and click proceed. Now import downloaded .json file and click on proceed. Check your details. Click on file written. Select individual and click on continue. Select ITR form 2 and proceed with ITR 2 and click on Let's Get Started. Now choose the first option, which is in all seafarers case, and click continue. Now you will have to select the schedules. Let us start with first schedule, general. In general, select schedule part A. Schedule 2, income. First select all and deselect. Now select the applicable ones like house property, other sources and capital gains if you have any. Under scheduled deduction, select for ATG and ATGGA for donations, ATD for medical insurance, 6A for Sukanya, PPF and life insurance. Schedule tax. Select TDS schedule for advance tax paid and TDS deducted as per your 26 AS. Fifth, others. Select schedules applicable to you other than mandatory schedules and click continue. Click continue and click again on continue. Now select tax regime depending on your investments. Old regime offers several deductions. I have chosen old one for myself. Salary exemption. For seafarers, all to be selected as no and click continue. Deductions. Select yes and fill amount for life insurance. Sukanya. Max limit is 1.5 lakhs. ATD for medical insurance premium and ATG for donation. Any other deductions? NRO saving account interest under section TTA, max allowed limit is 10,000 for deduction from gross total. Click continue and click OK. Now click and check schedule summary one by one by clicking on provide your confirmation. Let's start with part A, general information. Here you will have all the pre-filled data, just you have to make sure that all the information is correct, like in personal information and contact details, your mobile number and email address. Now under filing status, check that 1391 has been selected and type of regime which you have selected earlier. Now come down further and select residential status in India, which is non-resident. Now condition for residential status, which will be that you were a non-resident during the previous year. Jurisdiction has to be filled as India. Taxpayer identification number will be your passport number. Then give your number of days in the previous year and in the preceding 4 years as per your NRE status, and then click save. Now check your bank details. Please enter all the bank accounts held by you during the previous year and select one for refund and click confirm. Now under the schedule house property, add details of all the properties you have one by one. Let's see. Add details of breakup. Now please make sure you enter the complete address of your property. Then enter town or city. Then select from the drop down list the name of the state. The country will be auto-filled as India. Enter PIN code. Then enter owner of the property, which will be self. And if the property is co-owned, click yes and then enter percentage of yourself and the co-owner. Then enter the name of the co-owner. PAN Aadhaar card is not required and enter the percentage. The aggregate should be 100. Once it is done, scroll down to the type of house property. Let's say it has been let out. Give name of the tenant. PAN card, Aadhaar card is not required and click save. Now enter the gross rent received during the last year. The amount of rent tax paid to the local authority will be 0. If you have paid something, please enter here and then click save. Same like this, you can enter your other properties as well in house property 2, 3 or 4 and click confirm. Now under schedule 6A, click on part B. Check the pre-filled entries which have been auto-filled or basis on your previous entries. Now click on part C, CA and D and add another. Here you can add the amount of interest received in your NRO bank. Now once done, click save and click confirm. Now, under the section AMT, all the figures are generated automatically. Please check and confirm. Again, under the section AMTC, all figures are pre-filled. Please check and confirm. Now, under the schedule part B TI, you are supposed to check income from house property, the pre-filled data which you have given earlier. Check capital gains if any, like if you have sold the property. Check income from another sources. Check headwise income. Check your gross total income. Check deductions under chapter 6A. And after you have checked everything, click confirm. Go to schedule tax paid. Click on TDS 2. Now you will see some entries which are there already. Click on them one by one. Select first point for self. Then scroll down and check the amount deducted in own hands and TDS being claimed this year. Once you have checked and verified, scroll down and click on head of income. Here you will have to select income from other sources, and like this all the entries which are there for TDS you will have to do one by one. Once you have done all the entries, you will have to click save and confirm. Now go to schedule TTI part B. Provide your confirmation. Scroll down and come to section 15. Click on taxes paid. Check the amount and verify. Scroll down again to point number 16 and check if any tax payment is due. If something is due, it will be reflected here and you need to make the payment first before filing returns. And if there is a refund, it will be shown under the point 17. Once everything is done, click on preview return. Now, once preview return has been clicked, check all your schedules one by one to ensure that all entries are correct and click next. Now enter the place and tick the checkbox. Proceed to validation. Then click on proceed to verification. Enter your PAN number, continue, enter password to continue. Check details and upload return. Click on e-verify now. Make sure that you have your phone at this moment. Now e-verify by OTP and agree to validate your Aadhaar details. Once OTP has been received, enter the OTP and make sure that you check that the OTP has been entered correctly before validating it. Once done, please click on submit, and hereafter everything is done. You have successfully filled and verified your return. Thank you.